So I'm going to be making barbecue chicken, and I already got the chicken ready, nice and washed. And you want to get any type of chicken you want, just make sure it has a skin, because we're going to be baking it. When you bake it, it's going to be super good, and the skin is going to add just so much flavor. You can cut the extra fat if you want, but yeah. So my seasonings, it's going to be barbecue chicken, super good. So my season is going to be garlic powder, salt, I use the pink salt, the Himalayan salt or whatever, black pepper, dynamite flavor by Flavor God, so smoked paprika. If you only have the regular paprika, it's okay. The smoked one just adds like a little smoky flavor, which is cool. So I'm not gonna be measuring it, I'm just gonna like eyeball it. So this is the Flavor God. You wanna do about a teaspoon each. Garlic powder. I'm gonna put a lot of garlic powder because garlic powder is good. Some black pepper. Okay, so now that it's all done, you want to flip it over and repeat the same process. So I'm just gonna flip it over and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I flipped it over and I'm just gonna do the same thing that I did on the other side. So I'm gonna be putting my chicken in the oven for about like 50 minutes because my chicken is cold. If your chicken is warm, then you can do it for like 40 minutes. If your chicken is still kind of icy and you didn't thaw it out, then you want to put it in the oven for about an hour. So it just depends on your chicken. That way everything is such like an even cook, you know? Okay, so we're gonna be putting it in my oven for 45 to 50 minutes. Okay, my oven's on 375. We want to roast it. Oh my god, it's so hot. Oh my god, it's so hot. Okay, so I have it in the oven and you want to keep it there for 50 minutes, like I said, on 375. Okay? Okay, turn off the oven light. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're going to be making the mac and cheese. I'm gonna use this mac and cheese. It's the large elbows. And I already have my water boiling. Here's my water. It's already boiling. I don't know how much water I put. I just eyeball it. Just pour it in there. So it's in there. Now here's my doggy. So now we're going to be moving to the cheese. So I'm going to be using 3 cheeses. So I'm going to make a 3 cheese mac and cheese. So I'm going to be using mozzarella cheese, extra sharp cheddar cheese. On top, I'm gonna be using the triple cheddar cheese. Okay, so I got a bowl. Now we're just gonna cut this. Okay, so here's my cheese. And I'm gonna... Cheese is so bomb. And just start shredding it. Just shred it, shred it, shred it. I didn't want to shred the cheddar sharp because that would just be so much. Some people be doing like 5 cheese mac and cheese, or even 6 cheese mac and cheese. I saw one for that. I was just like, what the heck, dude? So I'm technically doing the 2, and then on top I'm gonna be doing a 3rd cheese. Okay guys, so I just got done shredding my mozzarella cheese. It's nice and shredded. Now I'm going to be cutting this sharp cheddar cheese into blocks with my with my cheese knife. Now they're all cut. You see? Now you just want to cut them into cubes. Very, very thin. You're going to be spreading this all over your macaroni once it's in your baking pan. So you want to have enough, okay? Damn. This is a lot of mac and cheese, homie. This is a lot of mac and cheese. I didn't want this much. Oh my gosh, I'm so retarded. I got another one just in case I needed extras. This is so much. Oh my gosh, I don't know what the heck I'm gonna do. To make my first layer, I'm gonna get 1 scoop of butter. So I just got 1 scoop of butter, and now I'm just gonna mix it around until it melts. Now that that's mixed, I'm gonna get my mozzarella. Now I'm gonna do another layer of my mac and cheese. Guys, don't make your life this difficult. I'm gonna do the same thing. 1 scoop of butter, and I'm gonna gently spread it on top of the second layer. Okay. Now do the cheese. Now get the sharp cheddar. Kind of push it down. Okay, so now I'm gonna get a little bit, some mustard, 2 spoons. I got this recipe from the Murillo twins. I guess the mustard is supposed to make it. Theirs was bigger than mine, so I'm gonna do like a little bit less than 2 spoons. I'm gonna add garlic powder. I'm gonna add some actual salt, not the Himalayan salt, whatever it's called. And then just mix. Some black pepper. I'm just doing it however. Literally, my type of cooking, I'll get it down, but then I'll just add my own twist, and I'll do whatever I want to do. Whatever I think I would like. Make it my own, you know? I'm gonna add a little bit more. This is gonna be bomb! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so good. If you have pieces like this, separate it. More scoop of butter. Another tip, your macaroni should kind of be hot, that way your butter melts easily. My dogs are right here, so any mess. Oh, I'm sorry, Bubby, you didn't get any. There you go. Another layer of mozzarella. Stick it in there. Put the sharp cheddar cheese inside. how it should look. Now I'm gonna add the finished touch. Don't do it too much on the edges because then the cheese is gonna fall over. In my mind, I don't know what in the world I was thinking. I got 2 bags of macaroni. In my mind, I thought I was gonna need... Oh my gosh, dude. See, this is what I mean. Like, you learn as you go. You literally learn as you go. Okay, so, but this looks fire. I'm gonna season the top. Some salt, just a little bit, less than a teaspoon. Some garlic powder, just a little bit. Some pepper, just a little bit. Okay. Chicken has been in for about an hour. Mama, move, okay? It's too hot. Go away, Mama. So I have my chicken right here. It looks good. Now, what we're going to do is, you see this juice? We're gonna get rid of it. We don't need the juice. You can save it if you want to make some rice on the side, use that juice. That would be perfect instead of using water. But right now, I don't need it, so I'm gonna... Oh, it looks so good! I'm so happy. I'm so proud of myself. Okay, where's my spoon? This looks good. This looks good. Now we're going to go get our barbecue. I'm using the Lucille's Barbecue Original. You can use any type of barbecue you want. Or you can make your own barbecue. Lo que tú quieres, okay? So let me bring you guys over here. And I'm just gonna pour some barbecue on each one. And you can use a food brush. I don't have one. So I'm just gonna use my spoon and just smear this around all over the chicken. We're gonna broil this. We're gonna make the barbecue into kind of caramelize, you know. We're gonna do this, I think three or 2 times, depending on how it's looking. So I'm just adding more chicken. I mean more barbecue. Okay. So it's in there broiling. 10 minutes. Okay, so my barbecue looks caramelized. I had my broiler on high, so I'm going to remove it out and do the second session. Now I'm gonna pour more barbecue sauce. Except I'm gonna flip it over now. So I'm gonna flip it over. Okay, so I flipped it over. Now I'm gonna add barbecue. I'm gonna put it back in the oven now. Okay guys, now I'm gonna repeat the same process. This time add a lot of barbecue. Okay. Going back in the broiler. So I think my chicken is just got done caramelizing it. I'm gonna take it out now. Hey guys, so you can hear it. Here's the final result of the chicken. Super good. So now I'm gonna put these in the oven for 30 minutes. Oh my gosh. Yes. Alright guys, this is what your final results should look like. Your mac and cheese, barbecue chicken. I had more mac and cheese to cook. Once I plate everything, I'm going to make a salad, just a plain salad, and then I'm going to boil some corn on the cob right now. So